Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, this weekend, we're gonna go and try to find as much furniture as we can for the upcoming vendor show that is gonna be the May 18th and 19th. But today specifically, we're gonna go all the way to Owatonna to a flea market and then possibly come back and go to Rochester for store shopping. And then tomorrow we might hit up some garage sales depending on the weather. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me. We're gonna do a lot of shopping. It's gonna be really fun and I'm excited to get out and do some furniture stuff because I've been kind of slacking on my furniture business a little bit because my freelance business has been kind of crazy. So I'm glad to be kind of doing what I love most and going out and finding furniture. I didn't have time to make breakfast at home, so I got egg bites, a burrito, and a bubbler from Quick Trip.
I would love to see that.
Okay, so we went through that entire little market. It's not little, but we went through the entire market and didn't find anything. I met a few people that also flip furniture, which is really cool. I'll put them on the screen to promote them. One I talked to about maybe possibly buying furniture from, which is awesome. And then the other one, I just picked up a card. They seem to have some really cool pieces of furniture, so I was gonna look into their social media and give them a follow. So I'll put them on the screen. But I did not find any furniture. There was a lot of furniture, but just not like the stuff I'm looking for. I'm looking for cheap furniture that I can either flip or just resell quick. And everything there was really like, they were like me selling their stuff. So obviously they're gonna have more expensive prices. But some of the stuff I saw, I was like, whoa, I shouldn't feel bad for what I charge at all. It's really expensive. But anyways, we're gonna try some thrift stores next, and then maybe if any garage sales are open. It's a rainy day, so I don't know how many garage sales will be open, but we're gonna try some of those too. So let's go. It's right there.
tilt it.
I don't know, are these gonna go in because of this?
I think they would if I could get one past there.
I'm gonna do the deal, the 3 snappy burgers for 12, and then a large fry and a small fry. Here's one.
Do you want cheese on your snappies today?
Please.
So this is, I think, tomato parking. But I don't know why they blocked off the burger.
Okay.
See, now we're in the other house.
All right, we are back home now and I have to organize everything, make sure I write down and list out everything that I bought today, as well as plan out the display for the vendor show, and then get some social media work done today. But yeah, it was a big day. We got a lot done. We got a lot of stuff. I was a little nervous at first because everything was closed because of the rain or just randomly closed. Like, we tried to go to a thrift store in Owatonna and they decided to post a piece of paper with right as they're supposed to open, they posted a piece of paper saying we are closed today. I was just like, oh, nice. So then we tried to find some garage sales. None of them were open because of the rain. And then we eventually went to Sift, where we had a huge haul. And then we went into Rochester and went to the Restore store where we found a pegboard. I'll put in some video after this of that. We'll go through everything that I bought out in the garage. And then we went to Goodwill and I found a few little things as well. So it was a good day. So let's go look in the garage at everything that I got. So this chair is my mom's. This chair is one that came with the desk. I didn't even know that it was gonna come with this desk over here. So we got a nice, really solid wood desk, as well as we got this technically for free because we got a deal since we bought 3 pieces of furniture at Sift. Awesome. And then this cute shelf, like I so badly want to keep this for myself. But we have some repairs down here in the corner. But oh my gosh, I want to keep that. And then we're gonna go over, here's the giant pegboard that we got at the Restore store in Rochester. So yeah, that was a nice little buy. We got it for $20. The desk we got for $40, and it came with that chair, like I said. And then I mentioned this was originally $20, but we got it for free. That shelf was $40, and I think that's all the furniture we got. The 2 candle items that I got at Goodwill were, I think, $4 each. So as you can see, I have a lot of furniture to work on. I even still have some more in the storage. The stuff that's in the storage unit is really run down and I really need to fix a few things on those ones. This is mainly just like resurfacing a little bit or just touching up or fixing a leg on this shelf. So nothing too extreme. I needed to find more pieces because I have that vendor show coming up and I have had no time to work on furniture lately. So we went and got some pieces that are like quick fixes and then that we can resell. So yeah, we have lots of work to do. I'm excited to do it all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I have a ton of furniture flipping videos on my channel as well as my crazy life vlogs and thrifting vlogs as well. So if you want to see those, go head over to my channel. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.